Supreme Simulation Game, created on code.org. As you can see in the start screen, we have instructions and a start button. Attempt to cop Supreme items before they sell out. Avoid bricks. Timer begins as soon as you press start. Be quick and check out the items you like. Don't waste time looking for your favorite items. Good luck. So now we're getting a sweatshirt. And I want a book bag as well. And a duffel bag. Actually, I don't really want a duffel bag. So the reason I'm being quick right now is I realize I don't want the book bag either. So I'm going to check out one item in my cart. I'm being quick in the checkout in order to successfully check out. Although it's not the right information, I'm quickly doing it in order to check out on time. I must accept it. And I press process payment. As you can see, I got the product and my order will be shipped in 3 to 5 days. I want to get notified when the shop is updated. And my cart total is presented here. I win. As you can see, we can keep on doing this, and sometimes you might not get it. Like if you had typed in real information, you might not have gotten the product. And that's our game.